Make yourself comfortable. Keep your back erect, spine erect. Close your eyes. Bring your complete awareness towards your breathing. Inhale. Take the positive energy from surrounding nature. Exhale. Let go of the toxic energy. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the gentle sensation. Inhalation, expanding your chest, bulging your abdomen. Exhalation, compressing your chest, sinking your abdomen. Feel the cold and warm rhythmic sensation. As light as a feather. Yes. Gently slow down your breathing. Calm down your mind. Presently bring your attention. Gently adopt Namaskara position. We'll start our mind journey chanting Omkara. Inhale deeply. Om. Feel the vibration of Omkara. Read and follow the starting prayer. Once again, chant with Omkara. Sahana bhavatu, sahanau bhunatu, sah viryam karavavahai, tejasvinavaditamastu, ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Feel the vibration of Omkara. Starting prayer. Gently inhale, exhale, releasing your hands. Rub your palms. Feel the warmness. Place your palms in front of your face. Spreading your palms. Open your eyes. Blinking your eyes. Look at your palms. Observe the brightness. Gently adopt Namaskar position. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Now, slowly, gently come to standing position. Gently come to standing posture. Now, slowly, gently, with utmost observation into your breath. Now, gently come to standing position. Now, slowly, gently, with legs apart, hands at the side. Now, slowly, gently, now you stretch your fingers slightly, and now gently you shake your fingers this way. Completely stretch and shake your fingers. This way. We need to fully shake your fingers completely. This certain preventing the numbness in your fingers. Doing this practice. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale, release. Observe the changes, feel the lightness. Balance into your fingers. Now slowly, gently, inhale, exhale with your legs together. Now slowly, gently do the shoulder rotation. Now inhale, raise the shoulder level up. Exhale, drop your shoulders down. Gently do the shoulder rotation. Clockwise rotation. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Just do the clockwise rotation for 10 rounds. Same way, anti-clockwise rotation, 10 rounds. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, raise the shoulder level up. Exhale, drop your shoulders down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale. Now slowly, next we move on to practice with elbow movements. Now gently stretch your hands forward, align to the chest level. Now gently turn your palms facing above. Now read and follow the practice with elbow movements. Inhale, stretch your hands. Exhale, fold the elbows. Inhale, stretch your hands forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, fold. Continue the practice. Inhale, stretch. Stretch your hands forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, fold. Do it in a standing position. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, fold. Last round. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, fold. Now inhale, exhale, gently release. Drop your hands down. Now slowly, gently release. Feel the lightness into your elbows. Now slowly, gently stretch your one hand forward and now gently place your wrist down, fingers pointing downwards. In this position, in standing position, feel the stretch on your all fingers. This is very good for your tennis elbow and good for your wrist and helps in preventing carpal tunnel syndrome kind of practice. When you do this, feel the complete stretch over here. Most of the times, whenever you are sitting in system typing or writing, and all this gives lot of benefit. And feel the stretch and maintain with normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now inhale, exhale, release. Now gently drop your left hand. Now stretch your other hand forward. Turn your palm facing above. Now gently inhale, exhale, press. In standing position. Maintain standing position and press your hand. And feel the stretch towards the feet. Stretch and maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now inhale, exhale, release. Now maintaining in standing position. Now gently inhale, exhale, spread your fingers slightly apart. Now place your legs apart, hands at the side. Take a few breaths. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale. Now you do the practice with hand stretching and twisting. That is Pati Chakrasana posture movement. Good for your back. Do it slow and gentle movement. Keep your legs 1 feet distance. Stretch your both hands sideways. Inhale at the center. While exhale, twist. Place a left hand at your back and right palm on the shoulders. Slow and gentle twist. Inhale at the center. Stretch your both hands sideways. Exhale, twist to the other side. Inhale at the center. Stretch your both hands sideways. Do it very slowly. Exhale, twist to the other side. Inhale at the center. Stretch. Exhale, twist. Inhale at the center. Exhale, twist. Don't move your feet. Inhale at the center. Stretch your both hands sideways. Exhale, twist. Inhale at the center. Stretch your both hands sideways. Exhale, twist. Inhale at the center. Exhale, twist. Last round. Inhale at the center. Stretch your both hands sideways. Exhale, twist. Maintain the position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your back erect, spine erect. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale, stretch your both hands sideways. Exhale, twist to the other side. Feel the stretch and make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now inhale at the center. Inhale, exhale, gently drop your hands down. Relax in Shitila Tadasana. Take a few breaths in. Inhale, exhale. Now gently do the hip rotation. With the legs apart, place your palms on the hip. Gently do the hip rotation. Clockwise rotation. Inhale, exhale for 10 rounds. Clockwise rotation 10 rounds, followed by anti-clockwise rotation 10 rounds. Inhale, exhale. Synchronize your breathing with your movement. Slow and gentle. Now same on to the other side. Now inhale, exhale onto the anti-clockwise rotation. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale, come back to the center. Now slowly, gently, with utmost observation, feel the lightness, balance into your body, mind. Now slowly, gently, next we move on to the practice. Step forward, backward bending. Practice step forward and backward bending. Now gently bring your legs together, hands at the side. Now slowly, gently, with utmost awareness, observation. Now just observe. Now place your right leg forward, one step forward, left leg behind. Stretch your hands forward. Adopt Namaskara position. Read and follow the practice. Slow and gentle. This is very good for your spine. Toning up your spine. Good for your shoulders. Gazing at center. Inhale. Push. Slowly, gently bend back. Feel the stretch. Don't lift your neck. Exhale. Down. Inhale. Stretch. Completely stretch out. Exhale. Down. Inhale. Stretch out. Feel the stretch towards the shoulders. Don't bend your neck too much backwards. Exhale. Down. Inhale. Stretch. Exhale. Down. Continue for another 3 more. Inhale. Stretch. Exhale. Down. Last round. Inhale. Stretch. Exhale. Down. Inhale. Stretch. Exhale. Down. Now gently bring your legs in. Now practice same on to the other side. Take a few breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Now place your left leg forward, right leg 1 feet distance. Stretch your hands forward. Interlock your thumb, gazing at center. Now interlock your fingers, adapting Namaskara position. Now inhale, push your body. Raise your right leg, right foot. Exhale, down. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, down. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, down. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, down. Last round. Inhale, stretch. Completely stretch. Feel the stretch at your shoulders. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale, release. Relax in Shikila Kardasana. Observe the changes. Feel the lightness, balance into your body, mind. Now slowly, gently, that most observation into your breath. Now, presently bring awareness into your lower part of the body, abdominal region, navel region. Feel the lightness into your lower part of the body, shoulder regions. Feel that most lightness, stimulation into your whole body region, mind. Slowly, gently, with that most observation into your breath. Presently bring awareness into your throat region, connecting to lower part of the body. Now we will chant 3 rounds of Akara chanting. Inhale deeply. Inhale. One more time. Inhale. Feel the wonderful vibration of Akara flowing, emanating, stimulating, resonating into your lower part of the body. Enhance the vibration, resonating into your abdominal region, leg region. Feel the balance. Enjoy this beautiful nature. Now slowly, gently, say, gently open your eyes. Bring your awareness. Gently come to sitting position. Slowly, gently come to sitting posture. Come to Sthiti, Dandasana. Now slowly, gently spread your legs apart, hands at the back. Relax in Shitila Dandasana position. Spread your legs, stretch your ankles, stretch your fingers. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale. Now gently bring your legs together, hands at the side. Sthiti, Dandasana. Now we move on to practice with leg movement, thigh movements. Read and follow the same. Okay. Now start the practice. 1. Inhale, exhale, fold your right leg. 2. Inhale, exhale, drop your leg down. 3. Inhale, fold. Exhale, stretch your legs forward. 1. Fold your other leg. Left leg. 2. Inhale, exhale, down. 3. Inhale, 4. Exhale. Inhale, fold your right leg. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Gazing at center, breathe and follow. Synchronize your breathing with your movement. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Little continuous. Inhale, exhale. 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 Last round. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, fold your left leg. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale, exhale, release the hands. Spread your legs apart. Relax in Shitala Dandasana. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale, turn to the side. Now gently fold your both legs at your knees. Now you practice with butterfly swinging. Now gently interlock your fingers, catch hold of your toes. Now gently swing your legs slightly. Slow and gentle. Inhale, exhale. Do to your best capacity with normal breathing. Inhale, exhale. Feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale, maintaining the same position. Now we move on to practice it one asana called Bhadrasana. Most important, good for your guys and for the ladies, good for the period time. You can do this practice, but careful, don't instantly stretch. Slowly, gently feel the lightness in your thighs. Completely, slightly try to touch your thighs to the ground. Now gently inhale, exhale, release the hands. Now pressing your palms onto your knees, gazing at center. Now gently stretch your both hands sideways. Turn your palm above. Gently stretch your hands above your head. Adapt Namaskar position. Interlock your thumb onto your right thumb onto your left thumb. Adapting Namaskar position. Now close your eyes if you are comfortable. Maintain this position, normal breathing for 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep your back erect, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now gently inhale, exhale. Gently releasing your fingers. Gently drop your both hands sideways. Now gently turn your palm below. Drop your hands down. Rest your palms on your knees. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale, catching both of your toes. Now gently inhale, exhale, stretch your legs out. Stretch your ankles, spread your legs apart. Relax in Shitila Dandasana. Observe the changes, feel the lightness, balance into your body, mind. Now slowly, gently, feel the lightness into your leg region. Now we move on to practice with asana, Janu Shirshasana. Gently bring your legs together, hands at the side. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale, fold your left leg, stretch your right leg forward. Place your both hands at the side, focusing at your toes. Keep your back erect, spine erect. Now start to practice. 1, inhale, stretch your both hands sideways. 2, say 3, further inhale, palm facing outwards. 5, slightly bend back, inhale, exhale, slowly, gently bend forward. Try to touch your hand towards your toes. Feel the stretch onto your thighs. Maintain this position normal. Feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If possible, you can further bend, but careful, don't strain yourself. 6. This is very good for your back, good for your knees, thighs. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now inhale, gently stretch your hands above your head. Gently drop your both hands sideways. Turn your palm below, drop your hands down. Now inhale, exhale, gently release the legs. Relax in Shitila Dandasana. This is most beneficial for the abdominal region. For any kind of constipation relevant, you can do this practice. But careful about your knees and your back. Don't instantly bend forward too much, backwards like that. Should be careful about your back. But doing it slow and gentle practice gives a lot of benefit. Now gently bring your legs together. Now practice same on to the other side. Keep your back erect, spine erect. 1, inhale, exhale, fold your right leg. 2, stretch your both hands sideways. 3, turn your palm. 4, stretch your hands above your head, palm facing outwards, slightly bend back. 5, inhale, exhale, bend forward. Try to touch your hand towards your toes and maintain this position normal. Do to your best capacity, don't strain, feel the stretch. Synchronize your maintaining your movement, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now inhale, stretch your hands above your head. Now gently inhale, exhale, drop your both hands sideways. Turn your palm below. Inhale, exhale, drop your hands down. Now gently inhale, exhale, release the right. Relax in Shitila Dandasana. Observe the changes, feel the lightness, balance into your lower back, under thighs, shoulder region. Relax. Now next we move on to practice you practice with the head rolling. Now you observe and read and follow the same. Initially, come to Vajrasana. Those who are finding problems in knees, don't instantly fold your leg. Be careful. Come to Vajrasana position. Careful. Place your palms onto your knees, gazing at center. Keep your back erect, spine erect. Take a few breaths in. Inhale. Exhale. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale. Bend forward from your lower back, middle back. Feel the stretch towards your spine, just like a rabbit posture. Now gently rest your palms over here, this way, gazing at center. Now slowly inhale, exhale, bow your head down. Now slowly, gently stretch your legs slightly apart with support of your palm, this way. Now you do practice it and rolling movement forward and back. Inhale, exhale. Feel the massaging towards the crown of the head. This is very good for the headache related problems, preventing any kind of migraine. Inhale, exhale. Synchronize the breathing with the movement. Feel the gentle massaging towards the head region. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Don't put too much pressure. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last round. Inhale, stretch. Feel the balance. Say down. Now maintain in this position. Slightly raise your head up. Observe the changes into your head region. Don't do this practice instantly, soon after having food and all. Soon after lunch or dinner, don't do this practice. Instantly bending forward. Give some time gap for doing this practice. But this is very good for the head region, enhancing the blood flowing towards the head region. Now practice same onto the other side, sideways movement. Same way, slightly with support of your palm, slightly bend forward. Go your head down. Inhale, exhale, turn. Inhale, exhale. 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 Last round. Inhale, exhale. Feel the massage. Now again inhale, exhale. Now inhale, exhale at the center. Now slowly inhale, exhale. Now gently come to Shashankasana stretch. Stretch your hands forward. You can stretch your both hands like this. Feel the stretch towards your shoulders. Place your both hands at the back. Palm facing above. This is Balasana. Mat in the shoulder. And hands in the head. Let into the head. Now gently inhale, exhale. Stretch your hands forward. Now with support of your palm, inhale, exhale. Kick your leg back. Stretch your hands forward completely and relax in Makarasana. Place your right palm on your left shoulder, left palm on your right shoulder. Relax in Makarasana. Okay. Maintain it for few seconds. Now slowly, gently, with utmost awareness, observation, feel the lightness into your head region. Relaxing your spine, abdominal region. Keep your eyes closed, maintain for a few seconds. Now slowly gently inhale, exhale with utmost observation into your breath. Presently bring awareness into your head region, towards the throat region. Now we will chant 3 rounds of Makara chanting. Inhale deeply. Inhale. One more time. Inhale. Feel the wonderful vibration of Makara flowing, emanating into your head region. Slowly, gently, with utmost observation, feel the complete silence, balance into your head. Feel the vibration energy flowing, radiating across your whole head region, flowing into your shoulder region, middle part of the body, lower part of the body. Now slowly inhale, exhale, gently bring your legs together. Now next we move on to one asana practice called Jaishtikasana, which is very good for the head region, helps in preventing any kind of tension headache and helps in preventing any kind of depression relevant problems and good for preventing the tension headache. Now just observe how I'm doing. Here in this position, first you need to bring your legs together, focus on me. Now you need to stretch your hands forward. Now you need to interlock your fingers, place it under your head, touch your forehead to the ground and place your thumb over here below the head region and elbows touching to the ground. Now with support of your palm just below your head region. Now inhale, slightly lift up. Don't strain yourself. Feel the stretch and maintain this position with normal breathing. Lift your head slightly up. Resist your head falling and resist your palms pushing your head downwards. Feel the stretch and maintain completely. Stretch. This is very good for the preventing the neck pain, relevant problems, and good for the cervical as well. Feel the stretch and maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can rest your elbows, but lift your head. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now inhale, exhale, gently drop your head down. Gently release your hands. Stretch your hands forward. Relax in Makarasana. Place your right palm on your left shoulder, left palm on your right shoulder. Chin in between your wrist. Relax. Observe the changes, feel the lightness. This is the most important practice you can do. And people who are having severe neck pain and all, don't instantly stretch, do it in slow and gentle pace. And while you're placing your thumb at the back of your neck and slightly give the gentle massage so that it gives a lot of benefit, helps in preventing any kind of tension headache. And this is an excellent practice for relieving the depression relevant problem. Sometimes due to emotional distress and all, no? When you do this kind of practice, gives some source of benefit. Okay. Now gently bring your legs together, stretch your hands forward. Now we move on to a practice called Sulabha Bhujangasana. This is focusing only on your upper back. Now stretch your hands forward. Now gently place your forearms at the side in this position. You need to rest your forearms in this posture. Don't raise your forearms. With chin touching to the ground, legs together, gazing at center. Now inhale, slightly raise your head and raise your upper back. Feel the stretch and maintain. Feel the gentle stretch towards your shoulders. Feel the expansion in your chest feet. Feel the legs. 1, 2, maintain. 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't raise the forearms, elbows. Rest your palms as well completely. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale, exhale, gently drop. Now gently stretch your hands forward. Relax in Makarasana. Keep your legs apart. Place your right palm on your left shoulder, left palm on your right shoulder. Please facing each other. Completely collapse your body. Now we move on to the last asana practice in prone posture. Now gently bring your legs together. Stretch your hands forward, hands facing. Now with support of your palm, inhale, slightly look up. Now inhale, exhale, tuck your toes inwards. Now gently come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. This. Try to touch your heels to the ground. Feel the stretch at your lower back and your shoulders. Maintain. Now slowly in this posture, completely feel the stretch just like a mountain posture. Parvatasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now gently inhale, exhale, push your body, bend your legs laterally. Come to Shashankasana stretch. Now slowly, gently come to Vajrasana. Now slowly, gently release your hands. Now gently stretch your legs forward. Stretch your both legs forward. Come to Dandasana. Now slowly, gently lie down in Shavasana. Completely collapse your whole body. Keep your legs apart, hands at the side. Observe the changes, feel the lightness into your body, mind. Now slowly, gently, with utmost awareness into your breath, lie down in Shavasana. Completely collapse your body onto the floor. Now slowly, gently, now we move on to practice with the asana, Markatasana, variation practice, cross leg, lumbar stretch. Now slowly, gently, you need to fold your both legs at your knees. Place your heels close to the buttocks. Now stretch your both hands sideways. Now gently place your right leg onto your left leg. This way. Do your best capacity. Don't strain yourself with support. Now inhale at the center. While exhalation, bend to the side. Bend your one leg onto one side, bend opposite direction. Feel the stretch and maintain. Maintain for 15 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now inhale at the center. Now exhale, bend to the other side. Feel the stretch and twist to your best capacity. Don't strain yourself. This is very good for your back and your neck region. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale, come back. Now inhale, exhale, gently release. Now in this position, Now we practice same onto the other side. Take a few breaths. Inhale, exhale. This practice gives lot of benefit, helps in preventing varicose vein as well when you do this cross leg. Okay, because most of the times when you tend to sit or stand for a long time, we tend to get stiffness on your thighs or knees. So when you do this kind of cross leg and all raising or twisting, that gives benefit for your thighs and as well as good for your back. Excellent for the back. Most of the times when you're traveling or sitting in system for a long time. So doing this practice gives more benefit and you can do your best capacity. Don't strain yourself. Now gently place a left leg on your right. Now with support of your palm resting onto the ground, inhale and center, exhale, bend to the right opposite direction. Now again inhale at the center, exhale, bend. Maintain the position normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale at the center, exhale, bend to the other side. Feel the stretch. And 1, 2, do your best capacity. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale at the center. Now inhale, exhale, gently release it. Now slowly, gently fold your both legs that come to palm and palm. Now raise your head up. Maintain this position normal. Feel the stretch and maintain. Palm Uttasana. Press your thighs to the abdomen. Towards your best capacity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Feel the wonderful massage towards the spine, abdominal region, thighs touching the abdominal region. Gives a benefit preventing the constipation problems. Now gently inhale, exhale, drop your head down. Gently release it. Stretch your legs forward. Relax in Shavasana. Keep your legs apart, hands at the side, palm facing above. Close your eyes. Observe the silence. Completely collapsing your whole body onto the floor. Relax. Feel that most silence, balance into your whole parts of the body, mind. Feel that most rhythmic sensation. Enjoying this beautiful stimulation into your whole parts of the body, from toes to head region, head to toes region. Feel the complete balance, silence. Enjoying this beautiful rhythmic sensation moments. Stay tuned to this nature. Feel that most vibration energy stimulating, emanating into the body movements. Relax. Slowly, gently, with utmost observation, enhancing the flow. Presently bring awareness into your lower part of the body. Inhalation, bulging your abdomen. Exhalation, sinking your abdomen. Inhalation, expanding your chest, thoracic region. Exhalation, compressing your chest. Inhalation, slightly raising your shoulder level up. Exhalation, drop your shoulders down. Feel the complete silence. Feel the lightness into your breath. Relax your facial muscles, neck region. Presently bring awareness into your head region, enhancing the blood flowing into the head region. Feel the cold and warm sensation movements. Completely silence. Enjoying this beautiful nature with surrounding bliss, floating leaf, flying colors. Relax. Let go all the worries, tensions, stress from the mind, whole parts of the body as like it's a feather. Relax. Presently bring awareness into your throat region, across your whole parts of the body and mind. Now we will chant 3 rounds of Akara, Ukara, Makara at single breath. Inhale deeply. Inhale. One more time. Inhale. Feel the wonderful vibration of Akara, Ukara, Makara. Enhance the beautiful resonance, energy flowing, resonating across your whole parts of the body, from toes to head region. Enhance the beautiful vibration, sensation into your body movements, mind. Slowly, gently, with utmost awareness, with a gentle smile in your face. Slowly, gently, inhale, exhale. Gently bring your both legs together. Stretch your right hand above your head. Stretch your right hand above your head. Fold your left leg. Turn towards the right side. Feel the linear stretch from toes to head region. Feel that most observation throughout the surface awareness, pointed awareness. Now gently place your palms in front of your chest, gazing at center. Now gently inhale, exhale with support of your palm. Gently come to sitting position. Keeping your eyes closed, sit in any comfortable posture. Sukhasana, Siddhasana, Vajrasana. Observe your breath. Feel the silence, lightness into your body. Enhance the beautiful sensation. Feel the cold and warm stimulation. Picturizing the beautiful Omkara in your mind. Slowly, gently, with utmost awareness. Enjoying this beautiful divinity. Now gently adapt Namaskara position all together. We'll thank our divine journey, chanting Omkara, followed by closing prayer. Inhale deeply. Om. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayah. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. Feel the vibration of Omkara. Closing prayer. Gently inhale, exhale, releasing your hands. Gently rub your palms. Feel the warmness, lightness. Place your palms in front of your face. Spreading your palms, opening your eyes, blinking your eyes. Look at your palms. Observe the brightness. Gently adopt Namaskar position. Thank you. Thanks for kind cooperation. Have a nice day. Stay tuned. Take care, all of you. Thank you. Yeah.